Have you ever been frustrated with your old, scratched-up cooking pans? In this video, I'm going to show you the best non-stick cookware set that will make all of your problems disappear. Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best non-stick cookware set on the market right now. This is my favorite kind of pan because it cooks food evenly and without any hassle or mess. If you're looking for a new type of cooking pan, then stay tuned because we're about to dive deep into the benefits and features of these awesome pots and pans so that come next time, when someone asks, what should I buy? You'll have. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 6 Green Pan Sear Smart Hard Anodized Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick 10-Piece Cookware Pots and Pans Set. Green Pan's Sear Smart Hard Anodized Ceramic Cookware Set is infused with diamonds. It features a unique texture for crisp browning and easy release. The Green Pan's Thermalin Diamond Advanced Healthy Ceramic Non-Stick Coating is FOSS, FOA, lead, and cadmium-free, so it will never release toxic fumes. This cookware set includes 8 and 10 fry pans, 1.5 QT and 2.25 QT saucepans with lids, 5 QT casserole with lid, and 3 QT Green Pan's Thermalin Diamond Advanced Ceramic Non-Stick Coating is made without FOSS, FOA, lead, or cadmium. It has a diamond-infused finish that helps ensure fast heating and easy cleanup, while also being scratch-resistant, making it dishwasher-safe too. The durable construction makes these frying pans oven-safe up to 600 degrees, which means you can make all kinds of recipes like skillet lasagna in this one set plus 4 covered pots. Perfect for any kitchen adventure. Number 5 Allclad Advanced Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Pots and Pans Set. Allclad Advanced Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set is the perfect starter set for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. The non-stick cookware features hard anodized construction, which provides efficient cooking and easy cleanup. The high-quality non-stick metal utensil-safe coating delivers a superior food release and effortless cleanup. The comfortable handles are dual-riveted for strength, while the lids resist warping at high temperatures for lasting durability. This 13-piece set includes 1.5 quart covered saucepan with pour spout, 3 quart covered sauce. If you're looking for new pots and pans to add your kitchen collection, then this 11-piece set is perfect. The durable coating can even hold up metal utensils. With a lifetime warranty on all of their products, as well as oven-safe temperature ranges from 300 deg F 400 degrees Fahrenheit, with some exceptions, these delicious cooked goods will last longer than any other mealtime challenge before them. This Allclad Advanced Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set is durably constructed and features high-quality metal utensils safe non-stick for a superior food release and effortless cleanup. The cookware set's aniline sure grip handles offer a solid grasp and are dual-riveted for strength. The pots and pans are oven-safe to 400 degrees. Number 4 Ninja C39800 Foodie Neverstick Premium 12-Piece Cookware Set. Neverstick Premium 12-Piece Cookware Set is made with premium heat-conducting titanium aluminum alloy and features a hard anodized exterior, which makes it durable and scratch-resistant. These pots and pans are oven-safe for up to 500 degrees F, making them perfect for searing meats, browning toppings, or even baking breads. The cookware set includes a 2-quart, 2L, saucepan with lid, 3-quart, 3L, sauté pan with lid, 5-quart, 5L, stock pot with lid. With a maximum temperature of 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit, traditional cookware is created at 900. This Ninja set has an incredible durable non-stick finish that withstands daily wear and tear. It's safe for metal utensils too. Plus, you'll get even heat distribution with no hot spots thanks to the heavy gauge aluminum base on each piece. It towers over other brands' thin ones like never before, so there will be absolutely zero risk in your kitchen burns from poor heating implementations, as well as consistent performance throughout use. This 12-piece set is perfect for the kitchen that needs to do it all. The versatile workhorse pieces include an 8-quart stockpot and fry pan, which can both boil pasta or make batches of soup/stew at once. You'll even be able to use your oven-safe 500-degree Fahrenheit stainless steel handles with these pots because they're made from durable material. And there are extra-long versions so you don't have any problem handling them when cooking large meals alone. Number 3. Allclad E785SC64 Ha1 Hard Anodized Nonstick Dishwasher Safe FOA-Free Cookware Set. The Allclad E785SC64 Ha1 Hard Anodized Nonstick Dishwasher Safe FOA-Free Cookware Set is a complete cookware set that features 3 layers of safe, non-stick coating for long-lasting, easy release. The heavy-gauge, hard anodized aluminum construction offers even heating and has an anti-warp stainless steel base for durability. This set is compatible with all cooktops, including induction and ovens safe up to 500 deg. The secure riveted stainless steel handles ensure a safe grip, while the durable clear tempered glass. Allclad is a company that makes some of the most durable and well-designed non-stick cookware out there. Their hard anodized aluminum vessels are not only handsome, but they stand up to any dish you can throw at them. The pan features Aodized's signature concave design, which provides excellent grip while cooking without being too uncomfortable on your hands. Plus, these sleek black finishes will look great sitting next to each other in formation across your countertop. Number 2. TFLC 561SC Titanium Advanced Non-Stick Thermospot Heat Indicator Dishwasher Safe Cookware Set. TFLC 561SC Titanium Advanced Non-Stick Thermospot Heat Indicator Set is a heavy-gauge and extra durable construction. It has a titanium advanced, non-stick interior. The unique thermospot heat indicator helps you monitor the cooking temperature in real time. The riveted soft touch handles are designed for comfortable handling, even when wearing oven mitts. This TFLC cookware set is safe to use with metal utensils and dishwasher safe. This set includes 8 inches fry pan, 9 inches fry pan, 1 QT saucepan, 2Q. The TFLC 561SC Titanium Advanced Non-Stick 12-piece cookware set is a great choice for those on budget who want excellent performance with their cooking. This set cooked eggs perfectly without any need to add extra oil or butter, boiled water faster than other pots in our test group, though they aren't certified, and had comfortable padded handles that stayed cool during use. Number 1. Kalphalin Classic Pots and Pans Set 10-piece cookware set. This innovative Kalphalin Classic cookware set comes with a no boil-over insert to prevent messy spills. The BPA-free silicone insert recirculates boiling water back into the pot, while the Stay Cool handles allow for easy removal of the insert without touching the pot. The non-stick cookware is constructed from hard anodized aluminum and features measuring marks for convenient cooking. The cookware is oven safe up to 450 degrees F and safe to use on gas, electric, glass, and halogen stovetops. The Kalphalin non-stick pans I've owned are great because they heat up quickly and evenly, but the handles can get warm. This set is perfect for 2 people who like to cook rice or pasta. Often it has many smaller pots with poor spots on them, so adding liquid isn't an issue. The interior measures out precisely enough that you won't accidentally splash yourself while cooking. Plus, there's silicone inserts included should your cooking skills leave something needed improvement. How to choose best non-stick cookware set? Looking for the best non-stick cookware set can be a daunting task. With so many options available, how do you know which one is right for you? In this blog post, we will provide tips on how to choose the best non-stick cookware set for your needs. We'll also highlight some of our favorite sets on the market. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, read on to find out more.